Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? Come along, let's see. We have a converting fractions to decimal. A fraction is of a number, is a number that is of this form, a over b. Now, how do we convert it to decimal? Now, let's look at this first one, 3 over 4. The simplest way to convert a fraction to decimal is by dividing. We divide. What does this mean? This means 3 divided by 4. So we rule our division sign, or we like call it table or division sign. Now this is 4. We put it outside. What is it dividing? 3. So 4 in 3. Is it possible for me to see 4 in 3? No. So I put 0 here. Now, I will now write this 3 in the form, because 3 can be written as 3.0. Now, I will now say 4 in 30. I put my decimal point here. That's 7. 7 times 4, that's 28. I subtract. This will give me 2. Now, the same thing, I will expand this 3.0 and add another 0. Then bring it down here. So I say 4 in 20, that's 5. 5 times 4, that's 20. So 3 divided by 4 is 0.5. That's the decimal number. The second one, 2 over 5, we'll do the same thing. We'll put our 5 outside, we'll put our 2. Now 5 in 2, is it possible? No. We'll put our 0.0. 5 in 20, of course you put your 0 here. That's 4. 4 times 5, 20. This is pretty easy. And that's all for the second one. The third one, 1 divided by 3. We'll put our 3 outside. That's the divisor. What we are using to divide. What we are dividing, the dividend, we'll put 1 outside. Can 3 divide 1? No. We'll put 0.0. Now 3 in 10. Of course, we put our 0 here and put our decimal point here. That will give us 3 in 10. That's 3. 3 times 3. That's 9. 10 minus 9. That's 1. 3 in, we'll put our 0 here, bring it down. We'll keep on getting 333. That's what we call a recurring decimal. So 3 times 3, 9. No matter how far, how long you divide it, you keep getting 0.3333. Now you stop there. What you will just do, the answer, since I'm going to get what we call a recurring decimal, recurring figure, so the answer will be 0.3. I'll put a bar on top of this 3 to signify that this 3 continues. All right, the last one, 1 divided by 2. Let's do the last one here. We'll put our 2 here. We'll put our 1. Is it possible for me to divide 2 by 1? No. So I put my 0.0, and of course I put 0 here. I put my point. 2 in 10, that's 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. That's 0. That means 1 over 2 as a decimal is the same thing as 0.5. I hope you have learned in today's class. Before we go, here are some list of take-home fun. You can practice it. Let me put it at this corner. You can do the first one, 1 over 9. You can do, let's say, 3 over 5. The third one, we can see 2 over 3. The fourth one, and the last but not the least, you can see 4 over 5. 4 over 5. So the take-home fun, just like in our usual style, the first one, 1 over 9. The second one, 3 over 5. The third one, 2 over 3. The fourth one, 4 over 5. It's basically simple. Just divide using the long division method, and you will get the answer as a decimal. All right, if you have enjoyed today's class, give us a like. Give us a share. Tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel that is solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if you're here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when new video, new content drop on the channel. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Also, do let me know the answers of this take-home fun in the comment section. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.